and that's when you get smacked. There it is.
Eating that Carolina rig up, boy.
All right.
Hey, that's bigger than the other one.
Top is perfect. I don't think you haven't been caught before. To be honest with you, that's how many bass in here. So many bass in here, man. That's a good one, baby. That's a good one. He choked it. Oh! What's going on? Down South Fishing. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make my famous, I think it's famous, yes, catfish bait, okay? Now, you may use some normal stuff that you've seen on social media, but I'm gonna tweak it a little bit, like I always do. And it come out like this. It's like the best bait to come out, you know what I'm saying? And catfish cannot stay off of it. So I'm gonna put you guys in on the loop. I'm gonna just make something better. Let's get into it. You're gonna get yourself a bowl, right? Now this is the bowl that the chicken can't thaw it out in. I put it in like warm water or whatever. It doesn't matter what temperature water you put it in, it's still going in the lake or the pond or whatever you're fishing in. So get the bowl. You wanna cube up your chicken breasts, right? Cube them up to about that right there. Nothing spectacular, just that right there. It needs to be at that, this right here. If you're fishing for big catfish, don't use this. Use like gizzard shad or whatever the case may be, like that, a bluegill. But if you're fishing for like some 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pounders or whatever, use this right here, perfect bait. Next thing you're gonna get is your garlic, minced garlic, all right? You wanna get this right here because it's better. It lasts longer. It just, the scent stays on better. You wanna get yourself some garlic powder, all right? Some garlic powder is what you need. Garlic powder, minced garlic, put that right there. Your chicken right here. One more ingredient. You're gonna get you some C4 fruit punch. You need to use C4 fruit punch because this stuff is loud, okay? When I say loud, I mean this stuff is loud. Like you can smell it from a mile away. This stuff is very, very loud. It's not like this right here. It's nothing like this. People use this a lot. I did use it, but I switched to the C4 fruit punch because it gives off like that pungent smell of flavor with the minced garlic and the garlic powder. So yeah, that's what we're gonna use. So let's get started. So what we're about to do right now is take this chicken, put it inside of a bowl, okay? Now pay attention to these steps. It might be critical to you while fishing. I'm telling you that right now. So put some gloves on, don't forget that though. All right, so now move this out the way. Put that in the sink. We want all the juices on this and all the other stuff, man. Okay? When I put this back on the counter, all right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this minced garlic. You see that right there? Right there. We're gonna pour that in there. But we're not just gonna pour it. We're gonna do 2 heaping teaspoons. All right, not tablespoons, but teaspoons of minced garlic. That goes 1 right there. Boom. Let's do 1 more. Let's do 1 more. Just 1 more. Right there. You see that? Boom. Now, brace yourself because this might get critical on this second step. All right. All right. I don't know why I'm walking so slow. Dude, you know I'm doing a video. Let's do it, man. All right, so now, what am I in the cabinet for? What, I'm ADHD. I'm always finding something to do. What am I doing? Come on, man. Get back to the table, right? I'm trying to tell a story here. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. So we're gonna go with the garlic powder. Open that up and do a hefty amount. Not everything, because you need to cook with that too, man. I'm just lucky enough we have enough bottles in here to cook with. All right, do a hefty amount though. Close that up. Boom, put that back. You feel me? Next, do your Super Sport fruit punch, C4. Don't forget that. And do a hefty amount of it. And if I tell you the aroma that comes off of this chicken because of that C4 is crazy. okay? Now what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and you want to stir this. Stir it really, 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 really. You see all that powder? Boy, that's a hefty amount in there. Watch how red it is from the C4. Watch, y'all. With that minced garlic. Now I'm going to show y'all what it do in the morning when I go fishing. After I post this video tomorrow. I'll be posting the next one, whatever. You see how red that is? That's crazy. See the minced garlics in there? Yep, that's something else. I'm trying to tell you that right now. So go ahead and keep on stirring that. Give it a few stirrs, then you can set it aside. Now we're gonna go in a drawer. We're gonna get us a good old Ziploc bag, a sandwich Ziploc bag. And we're just gonna shove all that up in there. We're gonna shove that in there. And yeah, you on your way to greatness after that. Look at that. Look how red that is, y'all. That's crazy. And I made that. No one else came up with this. I'm the first person to come up with this using C4 in here. I'm telling you, you gotta pick your flavors wisely. You gotta pick your flavors wisely. If you don't, you're gonna miss out on a whole lot of bites, y'all. I'm telling you. Now, you see all that gunk at the top right there? You won't be able to close your bag up. You won't be able to close your bag up, so you want to go ahead and you want to get a paper towel or something like that, and you want to wipe across that rim, okay? I don't know what I'm doing. ADHD that always does it. Get from over there and come over here, son. What are you doing? What are you doing, son? Okay, so I guess I'm washing my hands or something like that. I gotta be doing. I forgot what I was doing. I was just locked in the moment, and just happy about making this bait. There we go. Now you're gonna get you a napkin, like I said. You're gonna wipe the rim of that bag off in the top of it. You see that? All right, now you're gonna throw that away. You're gonna throw that away, then you're gonna come back to that bag. Now, this is critical, y'all. This is very, very critical. When you close this bag, make sure to leave the tip open a little bit so you can press out all that air, because you want this to be compressed. So the flavors can really like be in there, because it's gonna sit overnight while you sleep. When you wake up and get ready, it's gonna be sitting that whole time. See that? All that air's out of there. There you go right there. Y'all, I'm telling you, you won't miss no bites. Just thank me later. So guys, that's how you make it right there. You can shoot some questions in the comments below. That's fine. Ask me many questions as possible. I'll do my best to answer them. Of course, I'm gonna answer them because I don't have any followers yet. But I'm still grateful for the channel though, man. I deleted my other channel, Team Fish Addicts, but it's down south fishing now. I thought that it would be like a great beginning for me. But stepping back into this fishing YouTube thing, I made you the bait. Copy it if you want to. I'm just gonna make something better, like I said. But yeah, it's great. Trust me, use it. Use it. Especially at these ponds and lakes or whatever like that. Not the big, well, you can use it at the big lakes also. But if you're catching those monster catfish, be sure to use like shad or bluegill or shrimp or squid or whatever you want to use. All right. So anyways, man, love you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. And yeah, on to the next video.